Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name is Sam and today we have a beautiful example of a Range Rover Evoque in stock with us. This one in particular, very much a black theme on this vehicle. It finished off in metallic Santorini Black, which is one of our metallics here at Jaguar Land Rover, and we do have the extended exterior black pack. Now this one is a HSE, so top specification other than the autobiography, looking at Evoque, a lot of nice spec on the car. Surround sensors, a standard dynamic badging, which rather than the typical kind of copper accent, we've now got the black with the black pack that's been applied to the vehicle. Some stunning, arguably the best alloys that they ever did on Evoque. 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels with red brake calipers, which gives us that nice contrast. Now we've got power folding wing mirrors with blind spot monitoring, deployable door handles along with keyless entry. We've even got nice things like walk away locking and approach unlocking on this vehicle. Really handy. We've got our hands full. Privacy glass at the back of the car, again another popular option that does add that extra level of luxuriousness to the vehicle and adds that extra level of comfort to the people sat in the back. Now for a compact SUV we've got a really good size boot on Evoque. We have got storage space on the side and some cargo netting on there, and if we're looking underneath we've got a little bit of extra storage, tethering points to clamp stuff down. Of course, with it being the Evoque HSE, we do have an electric powered tailgate which I can use the key to open or close. Now looking into the rear of this vehicle, it's a full ebony perforated leather. Now there's no clear signs of wear and tear in the back of this one, plenty of room in there as well, and we do actually have the optional upgraded Meridian surround sound system. Now if you're into music, that sounds absolutely fantastic, and you can customise the bass and subwoofer. It is one of my favourite things on this car. Now looking into the front, we've got electric seats. Now lots of adjustment, side doors for adjustment, forward, back, up, down. We've also got memory functionality, so we do have multiple people hopping in and out. Really handy feature. Now starting up the car, 24,694 miles, so really good mileage for the age of this vehicle. We've got heated steering wheel, paddles at the back with voice control, auto lights, auto wipers. And if we're looking over here, we've still got the dials in this Evoque, so the likes of your dual zone climate control. We do have heated seats on there as well. All our climate controls, heat seating, vehicle settings will all be done via that bottom screen. Also gives us control for the heated windscreen, which is handy for the winter months. And if we're looking up ahead on this tiltable other infotainment system, we've got the likes of our rear view camera along with the surround sensors. We do have our navigation, phone connectivity, media, and as you'll see on this vehicle, we do have the likes of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. They are wirelessly, don't even need to plug it in, really simple to use. And other things, we've got twin cup holders, lots of storage space with these adjustable armrests. And just looking at the condition of the vehicle, you can tell the previous keeper has kept it well. And looking up ahead, not only do we have a glass roof, but it is actually a sliding one. So we can open it as the chimney, as I call it. It does let that light in, makes the car feel even more spacious than it already is. I think it makes a huge impact when you're sat in the back of the car. Now, knocking the car up, this is a D200 diesel Range Rover Evoque HSE, very much a black